Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm go ahead showing just of the news products on my right hand. This is the Panini grills with the groove that plays on the both set. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire length is about like a 22 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like a 14 and 1/4 inches deep, and the overall height they are almost about like 9 inches tall. And when we look in the front of the units, we can see they have a couple indicator lights on both sides. So they do have two individual plugs to operate on each side. It's using the standard 110 plugs, and they're using the 3600 watts for the units. And we have a temperature adjusters. They can manage them from the 100 degrees to the 300 degrees, and the power switches for each of the side. And the cooking area at the bottoms, it is about like a 19 and 1/4 inches wide and the 9 inches deep. And for the top, it is about like 8.5 inches wide and another 8.5 inches long, like a square one. And the major body, they're made by stainless steels. They have two individual leads you can operate it. So that's what be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, just let us know.